motion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes, sir. Rise and grind, good people. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Got a house call, new client, working on a 2011 Dodge Charger. Replace the starter on it. As you can see, I got it up in the air. Jack stand, jack. It is on the driver's side. I'm gonna show you where it's at. Alright, it's the driver's side. Transmission. Right through here. Get focused. That's the starter right there. That's the exhaust and the starter. We got two bolts, them two right there. 15 mil. We gotta take those out. We can loosen it up. And I'll take off these connectors. Alright, got it loose. Turn it around. Take off that 13 mil power wire. Got that signal wire out. So in order to get this bad boy through here, this is how I'm getting it out. 15 mil on the exhaust bolts. 15 mil, I loosened them up. I didn't take them off. Pull it right out. Got our starter, brand new, gold, part number. Swap this. Alright, got our connectors on, power wire. Go ahead and flip that over and put it inside the hole. This is what I realized here. You can't just put it in anyway, gotta be in that position. Like, just like that. With this end up to the top. Because if it's turned this way, it won't go inside. It won't fit. Just figure that out. Alright, got it ready. Bolts in. Connectors connected. Go ahead and tighten up the exhaust bolts. Leaking pretty bad oil. Hopefully it's not the rear main seal. You know, the valve cover gaskets need to be done. Alright, hook that battery back up. Start it up. Hey man, that's it man. So you know what to do man. If you're liking the content, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See y'all next video. The Pull-Up King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.